Alright, y'all, what's good, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in once again. I hope everybody's blessed, healthy, and wealthy, taking care of your temple because it's the only place that you got to live, you feel me? Please like and subscribe to the channel. As you know, it is greatly appreciated. Alright, we got some more heat for your feet. Alright, so let's not wait any longer, let's get right to it. Scales, I wonder what this could be. Scales on the box. Kobe system on the front, Kobe signature. Some more scales on the front. All right, so check it out. So we got the Kobe 6 Protro. All right, let's go right ahead and bust them open. Yeah, I don't know. I heard that these are gonna sell out like ASAP. I was able to get these on a shock drop last week, or earlier this week actually. Today's the 2nd. I believe the shock drop was maybe about the 27th or the 28th of November. So yeah, they arrived pretty quickly. But yeah, the Kobe 6 Protro reverse Grinch. You got the green laces. You got the green Kobe logo, Kobe system logo. Black Nike check. Nike check, both sides. You got the Nike Zoom. Nike Zoom there. Kobe signature on the back. Alright. I like the scale effect that they put on these. This is my first pair of Kobe's. So I don't know if they do the scale on, you know, a lot of the sneakers, but you know, the Black Mamba, the snake effect. The snake scaly skin effect on these, that's pretty dope. All right, inside you got some writing on the insole inside. I forget what it says. It actually says this side says molds to my foot. Molds to my foot. All right, see, that's the molds. You can't see the rest in there, but it actually goes to like to the front of the sneaker. It says molds to my foot on the right shoe. All right, so here's another look at the right shoe. Got those bright green laces. Once again, a nice touch. The Grinch, the touch of the Grinch. You know, this is the Christmas holiday release. Oh. All right, so look, here's the other foot, the left shoe. Let me see what this one says in here. The other side says molds to my foot, and this side says I want a shoe that. So I want, if you guys can see that, I want a shoe that molds to my foot. All right, so yeah, these are supposed to be dropping. Let me let you know right now exactly when you can expect these to hit the stores. December 15th at 10 a.m. with a price tag of $190. December 15th at 10 a.m. price tag $190. All right, and that shock drop was November 28th. All right, so if you're trying to get a pair of these, you gotta be on point, because from what I've been hearing, this is a highly sought after sneaker. Highly sought after. The hype beasts, the resellers, they're gonna be on these. So if you're interested in getting a pair, make sure you have your notifications on your Nike sneakers app, so that way you can enter in the draw as soon as they drop. All right, so yeah, that's what we got. Some heat for your feet. All right, the Kobe 6 Protro reverse Grinch. These are fire. This is a fire shoe. It's nice. It's my first pair, and yeah, I might boil in these. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But definitely a dope shoe. All right. So yeah, that's what we got. Heat for your feet. Go ahead and get this back in here. Stay tuned. Stay tuned to the channel. Right. I'm doing right, so the giveaway is going to be for Christmas. It's going to be a Christmas giveaway. I have a few items that I already have queued up. I'm going to release a video just to showcase those items. And I want to have these items out by at least December 17th. So that way you guys can have your, the winners can have whatever it is that you win by Christmas, all right? Since it's a Christmas giveaway, I want you guys to have your items on Christmas, all right? So, yeah, stay tuned to the channel for more information on how you can enter into the Christmas giveaway. Or you can enter now, you know, like and subscribe to the channel, comment, love always wins. Right. Once again, thank you for tuning in. I hope everybody is blessed, healthy, and wealthy. May peace and power, health and happiness be with you. All right, peace and God bless.